Ma'am, I have to ask you to please put your mask on.
No, you can't force me to wear a mask.
It's policy, ma'am.
I don't care. It's my face, and I'm not sick. Why do I have to wear a mask? And look, the lady over there, she's not wearing a mask at all. What you gonna say about her?
That's not true, ma'am. Stop lying, okay? Please put on your mask.
Come on, lady, put on your mask.
No, you can't make me. Plus, I don't need... Achoo!
Oh my goodness, oh my goodness.
I don't need it.
Oh, come on. Now you infected the whole entire air. I can't take this anymore. Attention passengers, just wanted to let you know, due to the negligence of a passenger who decided to spray Corona all over the airplane, I quit.
If she's quitting, give up the peanuts.
I can't take this anymore. Bye. I'm not risking my life for a job. I'm putting myself first. Man, it's hard to breathe in this thing. Oh no, not a bird, not a bird.